Hello everybody and welcome back to HotCuppaCrypto. My name is Jordan. Take a sip of your tasty beverage because today, guys, we have some exciting news. I am having a vanilla cappuccino. Guys, today we have some explosive stuff happening in the market. We are going to be checking out some updates about what is happening with the UK economy following the crazy interest rates rises that we did discuss on the previous video. There is some insane market updates today. So if you love updates like this and reviews, news, cryptocurrency projects and tips, then subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications, my friends, because we will be continuing to deliver to you guys more updates. But jumping straight in here, we can see that, if we're looking at CoinMarketCap, we go down and we can see XRP plus 11% as we discussed in the previous video. And now many other coins are starting to pump. We have XRP starting to pump, as you can see down here. It did have a little bit of a pump earlier, and now it is they're currently both correcting, XRP and XLM, as you can see on the bottom left here of these 6 charts in crypto. Currently Bitcoin and ETH is down by about 1%. And if we look on the financial markets today, guys, checking it out, we do have the stock markets looking like they are going to be opening on Friday, the end of the week here today, in the negative 1% down nearly on all of the indexes, including the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones Industrial Index, and the Russell 2000, as well as some other indexes. We have the dollar exploding. It has just hit a new high again, guys. 112 now. It has already broken that level, and it has hit 112.4. So the dollar is continuing to rise and continue its kind of bull market here. We have the 10-year treasury yield also hitting a brand new high, guys. 3.8% on the 10-year US treasury bond market, right? Which is one of the very most important markets, because what happens with this market is going to indicate and control what happens to the stock market and indeed the cryptocurrency market itself, guys. We have gold at 1,645, which is actually 1,645, which is the lowest as well. So gold again here hitting a new low. We even have oil making a little bit of a new low down here and dropping further. So commodity prices dropping, guys, and silver as well. But the main thing is that we have the British pound continuing to have a massive sell-off and collapse today, guys, after the UK economy's crazy new announcement that they are, cutting taxes. They're doing huge record tax cuts. They're doing basically sort of artificial economic stimulus to try and keep the UK economy alive. It is pretty scary what is happening, guys. But also the euro here is losing value as well. It has dumped massively. It is now at 0.97 cents to the dollar, and the pound is down at 1.10 cents to the dollar, which is a crazy drop in value. So not only is Europe and the UK losing a value to inflation, the value of the currency themselves, guys, is also dropping, which is absolutely it is terrible, basically. Terrible economic times. As you can see here, the UK has announced record tax cuts, stopping raising national insurance and capping energy prices, and all of these things are leading to the currency losing value because people are losing faith in these countries, basically. As you can see, guys, the euro is down 20% against the dollar in the past 4 months. Actually, it is pretty insane and it is crazy. So we have been following what's going on in the news there in terms of the UK economy. Pretty crazy, guys. Also, if we check out the currency markets here, so we can see that because the dollar's rising, most of the other currencies are losing value fast as well, which is insane. So we have the Japanese yen going down against the dollar, even the Swiss franc, the Australian dollar, the Chinese yuan, Turkish lira, all of them except from the Russian ruble are going down, right? The Canadian dollar going down, everything. It is insane. So yeah, guys, keep an eye on that and what is going to happen in the economy going forwards. The UK, I saw this, which is the UK should reduce taxes on cryptocurrency in order to promote growth. So we do have some occasional pieces of positive crypto news coming out from the UK. This was said by an MP, Matt Hancock, in the UK itself. Pretty interesting. So now we also have some other things to discuss other than what's happening in the UK, guys. basically the entire financial markets in general. I saw another interesting tweet. What do you think will trigger the next pump? So when will we hit the bottom here in this current bear market, and then to begin to explode and pump, forwards in the future? Will that be in 1 month, or will that be in 2 months time? Well, there are 4 things that could potentially happen, and this is a really good breakdown of it, guys. It could be a Fed pivot, and these are the things that could potentially end the bear market, right? So a Fed pivot means that they will stop raising interest rates, and then they will just suddenly stop and lower interest rates, start printing money again, and then start causing stimulus and spreading it out, printing money and then distributing it all around the world and the country, basically, in order to stimulate economic growth. And then that will pump up, all of the financial markets, the stock markets and the crypto markets again. The end of the war, so peace in Europe. So if Putin decides to wave the white flag, guys, and surrender, which is very unlikely to happen, but that could also cause the markets to pump and go into a new bear market, right? The next Bitcoin halving all the way in 2024, which is like in 2 years' time, and then all the way till then, that could cause indeed the start of the next bull market, or indeed a new president, guys. There are elections coming up soon in the US, so that is something to keep an eye out for as well. Anthony Pompliano today actually said, "You will believe the world is ending if you spend enough time on Twitter." So be careful how much time you spend on here, guys. It is insane. Now, this is a really cool website, guys. One of the best websites for crypto news, where you get the new breaking news stories from thousands of different news sources all in one place. It's called Crypto Panic. I found this, guys. You can check it out. Pretty interesting and really useful crypto tool for the fastest crypto news before anybody else. And this was summarizing, guys, that there were actually multiple tokens pumping in the last, yesterday and this morning. Actually, it was XRP, which we went over last time, why that was pumping because of the progress in the lawsuit, and then XLM, which was Stellar. But also Algorand and Chili's and this other token RSR, which I forgot exactly what that is. However, a lot of these other tokens are indeed pumping, guys. It's been pretty crazy. In fact, if we go down here on CoinMarketCap, we can see that Algorand has gone back down now, but it did actually have a massive pump, so it's pretty interesting. So things to watch out for. We do have the market coming alive, and also Bitcoin dominance is below 40%, guys. If we do check out the Bitcoin dominance chart, it is 39.1%, which is the lowest it's been in ages, which you don't usually see unless we're in a bull market. So we're going to be diving deeper into that later. Could this be possible to have some kind of mini altcoin season within the bear market, guys, or little sort of like mini altcoin season bursts like we had yesterday, where we had like 5 or 6 different altcoins pumping like 20%, guys. It was crazy. XRP went up like 15%, and then it went up another 9% the day after. Stellar went up like 15%, and Algorand went up like 20%. We also had those other coins, Chili's pumping like 25% or something. It was crazy. I can't remember exactly how much. So also in other news, we have Cardano, which has completed its Vassal hard fork. So that means, more full functionality is coming later. However, it has been upgraded, the network in general, which does mean that Cardano is progressing forwards and hopefully can be a decent chain in the future, guys. We will have to see. But, a lot of people were bullish on Cardano in the past. Who knows if it will be, something in the future that is going to be insane. However, I think Cardano has a lot of potential, but who knows, guys. But this is just good news to see, and it is good to see that they're constantly working on it, and upgrading it, the potential. I want to say a massive thank you for all the amazing support here, guys, on HotCuppaCrypto. For more news, reviews, DeFi, and other tips, cryptocurrency, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications, and thank you so much for joining us here today, here on this channel, as we bring to you guys and deliver to you guys the latest interesting and exciting news that's happening in crypto. Like, there is actually so much news in the bear market, which is really good. And the reason I started this channel is because I believe in the cryptocurrency, industry long term, and I do believe it has the potential to change your life. So I want to help deliver, as much crypto knowledge as possible here, and explode this channel during the bear market, guys. So take a sip of your beverage. And thank you very much for joining us here once again today on HotCuppaCrypto. My name has been Jordan, Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about all this insane news and the updates. Let me know what do you think about the UK economy and the US economy, and what is going to happen with the financial markets and the currencies, the stock markets and the crypto markets moving forwards, guys. And we will see you guys soon in the next video.